Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video coming up on Umkhokha in August, the Battle of the Throne. We have seen Nomkhosi trying to plant an idea into Khulekani's head that he is the chosen one, but he kept on squashing it. And there's a point where Khulekani will warn Nomkhosi about her dangerous ambition. Khulekani will finally succumb to the temptation that he is MKHULULI. Then Siphamandla and Mabusi will return from Mozambique. When Siphamandla reclaims the throne, Khulekani will refuse to give back the throne to Siphamandla. The council will be divided about who should lead Itempele Lenkosi. The tension will continue to brew between the Mthembu's Makotis. Manzimande will show another side of herself when pushed to the limit. However, Siphamandla will have no choice but to suspend the church. Ndlovu will reveal a Mthembu's secret to put nail in the coffin. Thank you for watching.